Hello dear students, good morning. Today we are going to learn a freestyle dance and our song name is Mukala Mukabla. Let's we start. Now take position. We start from our right leg. Keep your right leg on your toes like this and bend your knees. Same thing with your left leg like this. Okay. Look, we do like this 1, 2, 3 and 4. Our hand movement is normal like this 1, 2, 3 and 4. We start from our back side and slowly we turn our front side. Okay, look 1, 2, 3 and 4. Same step we do with walk like this 1, 2, 3. Okay, only 3 steps we walk. Okay, when your left leg is front side, move your hand back side. Opposite hand and leg movement we do like this 1, 2, 3 and 4. When 3 step is done, move your right hand like this, then left. Okay, like push 1, 2. Only 2 steps. After 2 steps, your 2 hands move up like this and down. Okay, our step is 1, 2, 3 and 4. When your hand is up, jump and down. Look, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, when this step is complete, our next step is move your right leg on your right side like this. After, move back and left side. Same thing, move left side. Okay, when your right leg is move right side, also your hand is move your right side like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, our step is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 and 4 only one side. Okay, like this 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, but we do with jump like this 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, we do it 2 times. And after, cross your leg and cross your hand like this 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, 4 step counting 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, understand? When complete this step, okay, and your right leg keep with your left leg. Okay, cross like this and turn around. Okay, and when you turn around, immediately throw your face like this 1. Okay, now we do with music. After music, our lyrics start. Our line is आया हूँ आज मैं म्यूजिक लेके जाऊंगा दिल तेरा म्यूजिक. Okay, when line is come, आया हूँ आज मैं. Okay, when line is come, our right shoulder move right side, our left leg straight like this, right hand straight, left hand down like this. Okay, same thing is left side like this. Okay, look 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, when this line आया हूँ आज मैं 1, 2. After music, your right leg move your right side like this and then left leg. But we do with jump like this 1, 2, 3. 3 and 4 only one side. Okay, when our leg is move right side, our both hand is move left side. Okay, opposite like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, only one time. Our second line is लेके जाऊंगा दिल तेरा. Okay, when this line is come, your right hand up, okay, and bend like this, waist, your waist like this, okay, bend, and elbow, shoulder up, down, then left shoulder up, left elbow, down, okay. Our full step is like this, okay. And after this line, same music, same step, like this, 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay. Our full step is, look, आया हूँ आज मैं म्यूजिक, 1, 2, 3, 4, लेके जाऊंगा दिल तेरा, 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay. We do with music. आज मैं लेके जाऊंगा दिल तेरा म्यूजिक, ओके. नेक्स्ट आवर लाइन इज रोके कोई मुझे टोके कोई मुझे, ओके. व्हेन दिस लाइन इज कम, रोके कोई मुझे, ओके. सो आवर लेफ्ट लेग move like this, okay. Then right leg like this. After your left leg keep back side, and your right leg keep with your left leg, okay, like this, cross leg, 1, 2, 3 and 4, again 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay. Cross leg, make a cross leg like this, 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay. But we do with jump like this, रोके कोई मुझे. And our next line is टोके कोई मुझे. So left hand up like this, and your left leg is like back, cross leg, then right leg like this, okay. Same thing, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Our full step is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This, after this step, your right hand up, okay, move your circle like this, okay, and move around, turn around like this, but do faster, okay. After turn around, move your two legs, okay, left and right both, keep toes like this, okay. This is our Michael Jackson signature step, okay. Look this. But when your both leg is keep on your toes like this, move back side, and your hand back side like this, okay. We do circle like back to front, look, 1, okay. Our full step is, look, रोके कोई मुझे टोके कोई मुझे, दूंगा उसे चाहन से मीठा. Look, now keep your leg on toes, oe, when line is come, oe, okay, like this, 1, okay. Now we do with music our first step. Our next line is Mukala Mukabla. Okay, when Mukala Mukabla line is come, bend your hand like this. Down your hand with your left hand, right hand like this. And same thing, right side. 1, 2, 3 and 4 only one side like this. Okay, we do with bend like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After this line is complete. This line is come. Oho Lela. When this line is come, open your leg this. Knees bend like this. Okay, and light down. Okay, look. Your hand movement like this. Open your leg and down. Then jump like this. Okay. Oh Lela. Oh Lela. Okay. Our step is Mukala Mukabla. Oh Lela. Aha Lela. Okay. Now do with music. Okay. Overall, our first step. After this line, Mukabla Subhanallah. When this line is come, move your side like this. Kick your leg like this. 1, 2. With your hand. 1, 2. Okay. After 2 times, 3 and 4 like this. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then bend your left leg like this and move up and down like this. Your hand move up and down like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Full step is our like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. First do with left side and do with your right side. Our full step is look. Mukala Mukabla Lela. Oh Lela. Then Mukala Subhanallah Lela. Oh Lela. Okay. We do with music. Look. Music is come. Okay, when music is come, our step is look. Move your side like this. Okay, and your right leg. Move your front side. Your left hand. Move your back side like this. Okay, then back side and hand front side like this. Your left hand. Look. Move like this. Okay, or full step like this. Okay, look. 1, 2 and 3. Only do it 3 times. Then again left side. Look. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. After our step, music is come. When music is come, turn around. Okay. On your left side like this. Then bend your left hand. Move your right hand back side. Okay. And your right leg, move your front side like this. And then opposite do like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. When your right leg is front side, keep on your heels like this. Okay. And then back side, keep your leg on toes like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then again same thing on your right side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. After this music. Okay. Go back side like round 1, 2, 3, 4 and do jump. Only one jump. Okay. When jump is complete, our line is come. मैं हुआ तेरा मजनू तू बन जा मेरी लैला. So straight your left hand like this. Move your hand like this. Okay. Keep your right hand on your left side like this. Okay. And move your body like throw. Okay. Look. 1, 2 and 3. Only 3 count. And after this step, way to back side again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. After this line, मैं हुआ तेरा मजनू तू बन जा मेरी लैला. पार्टी चलेगी तेरा जादू something. Okay. Look. When this line is come, party chalegi. With your hand make a circle like this. Okay. And do with your right leg also like this. Okay. Only one leg. Or full step is like 1, 2, 3. After we do this, turn a left side like this. Okay. When turn your right leg, keep your front side. Okay. And 2 hands straight like this and move your body on your left leg. Okay. Keep your weight on your right leg and after left leg like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Our full step is पार्टी चलेगा जादू तेरा मेरा पहला. Okay. And after this step, the line is सुन के ये तेरी बातें. So your right hand keep with your ear like this and move. Bend like this. Right side, left side. Okay. सुन के. Okay. Only 2 times. तेरी बातें when line is come, our 2 hand move like this upside. Okay. But do with finger like this. Our line is there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Move like this. सुन के ये तेरी बातें. Okay. करता है मेरा जिया. So make a circle with hand like this. Okay. And your left hand upside, right hand downside like this. Okay. Look. सुन के ये. Then same thing is do with reverse like this. Okay. Do with reverse. Your right hand keep on your cheeks like this. Okay. And move body like this. Okay. And right chatka. Okay. Look. सुन के ये तेरी बातें करता है मेरा जिया. Okay. Next line is तू ही बता दे जरा क्या है इरादा तेरा. When this line is come, light move like this. सुन के ये तेरी बात. Okay. करता है मेरा जिया. तू ही बता दे line is come. Move like right with your right shoulder like this. क्या है इरादा तेरा. Okay. We do with music. Okay. Like दिल को संभाल तू. So repeat our two step. First step is like this. Okay. And second, when music is calm, do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is step is our repeat step. Look. दिल को संभाल तू and music 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Our first step is दिल को संभाल तू 1, 2, 3, 4. And after this step, hold the collar like this and walk slowly like this. Hero मैं ही तो हूँ तेरा. When तेरा is calm, go front, go back side like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Look. Hold your collar. Walk slowly like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Full step is दिल को संभाल तू 1, 2, 3 and 4. हीरो मैं ही तो हूँ तेरा. Okay. Next line is तेरी ही बातों में दो मुलाकातों में. Okay. So your right hand keep on your chest like this. Move your left hand back like this. Okay, opposite. Look like this. Okay. Then do with our opposite hand like this. 1 and 2. Okay. But this step with our walk like this. Look. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Look. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then go back side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. तेरी ही बातों में दो मुलाकातों में छीना मेरा मुझसे जिया. When this line is calm, turn around with your hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then stop. Hold your hand like this and kick your leg with your right leg like this. Okay. Our first step is तेरी ही बातों में दो मुलाकातों में छीना मुझसे मेरा ये जिया. Kick. Okay. Then again line is calm, mukala, mukabla, same line, same step. Okay. Here is finished. But this is we do with music and after we do full music. Let's do it beginning our whole dance. Okay. Start.